just eat it. Eat it. Open up your mouth and don't worry about if it's funky or if it's wrong or right.
Rattles Travel Gossip Tea. Tuesday, June 16, 2026. Opening brief. What's good, my traveling fam? It's your girl Rattles. Best in Travel Channel hosting. Back in these travel streets. Baby, airports still acting confused, airlines still charging rent money for flights, fuel prices still in everybody business, and the FAA watching folks harder than grandmama watching her favorite casserole at the family reunion. Y'all already know the rules. We roasting everything today. Legally. Professionally. And with just enough foolishness to keep the lights on. Let's get into this tea. First brief. Delta's computer drama finally got put in the ground. What that blue said to Rattles was: federal investigators officially closed the book on Delta's massive 2024 CrowdStrike outage that caused widespread cancellations and travel chaos. Baby, that outage was so bad folks started learning airport carpet patterns by memory. People missed weddings, missed cruises, missed birthdays, missed jobs. Hell, some folks probably missed opportunities to cheat. The computers didn't just crash. Them computers called out sick and left everybody stranded. Second brief. Flight prices still acting like they famous. What that blue said to Rattles was: travel costs remain elevated as airlines continue dealing with fuel expenses and broader supply chain pressures. Translation. Them cheap flights still hiding like they got warrants. You open a travel website feeling optimistic. 2 minutes later you're sitting in silence staring at the wall. Because why is a 2-hour flight priced like a used Honda Civic? These airlines got confidence levels I aspire to reach. Third brief. FAA told drone folks to sit their ass down. What that blue said to Rattles was: the FAA continues reminding travelers that unauthorized drones won't be allowed near World Cup venues and restricted areas. Baby, don't be that person. Don't fly your little drone over a packed stadium talking about, I'm creating content. The FAA don't care about your content. The FAA got one response: land that little helicopter immediately. They'll have your drone grounded faster than your mommy used to ground you for talking back. Travel tip of the day. World Cup travel ain't regular travel. Check. Flight alerts. Stadium rules. Weather. Road closures. Airport updates. Because showing up unprepared during a major event is like bringing store-bought potato salad to a black cookout. You technically came, but everybody judging you. Fourth brief. Adelaide said, guess who back outside? What that blue said to Rattles was: Qatar Airways resumed daily service between Doha and Adelaide, restoring a major international connection. Baby, Adelaide came back online like that auntie who disappeared for 3 years then suddenly walked into the family reunion wearing designer shades. Everybody happy. Everybody clapping. But everybody also asking, girl, where you been? Welcome back, baby. Fifth brief. Fuel costs still out here swinging on vacations. What that blue said to Rattles was: airlines continue adjusting routes and schedules while managing fuel cost pressure and regional disruptions. Airlines got a fancy way of breaking bad news. They say, operational adjustments. No, baby. Tell the truth. My vacation just got jumped in an alley by fuel prices. Stop using corporate words. Tell me my itinerary got beat up. Sixth brief. Aspen Airport said everybody taking a timeout. What that blue said to Rattles was: Aspen/Pitkin County Airport plans a major runway reconstruction project that will temporarily shut down operations next year. Baby, Aspen said nobody landing. Not private jets. Not celebrities. Not billionaires. Not influencers. Everybody can park it somewhere else. That airport looked at the runway and said, you need therapy, repairs, and 6 months off. Honestly. Respect. Closing brief. Today's scorecard. Delta finally closed the chapter on computer chaos. Flight prices still acting rich. FAA watching drones like a nosy auntie. Adelaide got reconnected. Fuel costs still bullying vacations. Aspen already scheduling a long nap. Same travel streets. Different foolishness. And before you'll ask, breathtakinglagoon.com still under construction getting remodeled, so don't pull up expecting vacation deals and find construction workers eating lunch. We'll let you all know when it's back. I'm Rattles. Keep your charger charged. Keep your alerts on. And stop trusting airport schedules like they're written in the Bible. Rattles out.
Babes, that's today's travel gossip tea. If you're booking a trip, double check them dates, fees, and fine print don't get played. Drop your city in the comments and tell me what travel mess I should cover next. I'm back tomorrow, same tea time, same chaos. Bye!